When you receive your credit card statement and bill, you can reconcile your credit card account in QuickBooks Online to the bill. This ensures purchases and payments are properly tracked and helps prevent unauthorized use of the credit card. To reconcile a credit card account, please review the lesson titled Reconciling Accounts in Chapter 12 of this tutorial. Reconciling a credit card account is basically the same process as reconciling a bank account. However, after completing a credit card account reconciliation, a You reconciled this account window then appears on screen. If you have a credit card balance to pay, you then see two links here. To pay the credit card balance by check or by bill, click either the Pay All or a portion of the bill now, or Enter a bill to pay later link. Alternatively, to not enter a bill or make a payment right now, click the Done button instead. If you click the Pay All or a portion of the bill now link, QuickBooks Online Plus creates a check to pay the credit card balance. Select the vendor to pay by using the Payee dropdown within the check and verify and/or change the other details of the check, like its bank account and payment date, to ensure its accuracy. Then choose one of the Save drop-down button options to save the check, or click the Print Check link to print the check. Alternatively, if you click the Enter a Bill to Pay Later link, QuickBooks creates a bill to pay the balance of the credit card account. Select the correct vendor to pay using the Select a Vendor drop-down within the bill, and verify and/or change the other details of the bill, like its bill date and due date, to ensure its accuracy. Then choose one of the Save drop-down buttons within the bill window to save the bill for payment later. Alternatively, if you click the Done button in the You reconciled this account window without entering a check or a bill, QuickBooks does nothing to pay the credit card balance. It simply leaves the balance in the account. You will need to manually enter a bill, create a check, or create a pay down credit card transaction later to pay the balance in the credit card account. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.